Okay, so you hired a videographer and made a commercial or promo video for your business. The video is clean, high quality, and represents your brand well. The target audience is spot on, your messaging is right, and you already know that you have an offer that they want. Now, logically, your only question is, what do I do with this video? How do I use this as a marketing asset to grow my business? So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through a few different video strategies that you can use to maximize your commercial investment. But first, stop me if you've heard this. The videographer texts you and says the commercial is done. They shoot you an email. You rush over to the computer and download it and quickly send it to your phone. You immediately open Instagram and bang out a caption. Something that reads like, "I'm so excited, I did this for my business." You watch as the upload slowly completes and the feed refreshes. Your video is now live. You get some fire emojis, a couple comments, maybe a few shares. No new leads, no new sales, and no impact on your business. And that's because posting a video on social media is not a marketing strategy. Like a billboard or commercial's job is to stop traffic. But in order to do that, you actually have to put it on the highway where the traffic is. Think about it like this. More traffic equals more leads and more sales. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Washimi Ball. I run a video production company here in Atlanta, Georgia. We've shot hundreds of commercials for brands, businesses, and entrepreneurs just like you. So be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. All right, now let's get started. Strategy number 1, Facebook and Instagram ads. This is definitely one of the most common choices, but here's a few things to consider. Facebook and Instagram ads can take anywhere from 3 to 12 months to get profitable. The terms you really want to pay attention to are CPM, which is cost per millis. The next one will be CTR, which is click-through rate. And then the last one, which is ROAS, which is ROAS, or return on ad spend. Facebook itself tends to have an older audience, while Instagram is middle-aged. Facebook and Instagram ads can convert high-ticket sales when paired with the right funnel, but converts low-ticket offers a lot easier. Facebook and Instagram ads are also a great way to retarget visitors who've already been to your website and build massive awareness and pull in new leads. Just be sure to watch your numbers. Number 2, we have TV ads ran through like a Comcast. This could also take 12 to 6 months to have impact on your business. And realistically, thinking about the ages of people who watch TV, you're probably swaying more towards the older demographic with a little bit of middle age in there as well. I've seen B2B sales on TV. They can influence purchases decisions for high ticket and low ticket offers. Next, we have YouTube ads. And again, the terms that I would want you to know would be CPM, CTR, or ROAS. Great for all ages because it is attached to Google, and Google's the largest search engine in the world. I would go out on the line and say that YouTube is probably good for B2B services and B2C services because everybody is on YouTube, as well as I do believe it would easily convert a high ticket offer as well as a low ticket offer. I see a lot of coaches, consultants, business services being marketed on YouTube every time I log in. And again, this is another great way to build awareness and attract leads. And if I sound like a broken record, don't hit the messenger. The point of a great commercial is to build awareness and drive leads. That's it. That's all a commercial is supposed to do. It's not going to sell your services for you. You're still going to have to get on a sales call. You're still going to have a sales page, landing page. It is a piece in the marketing puzzle. All right, so number 4, which is very specific to Instagram, which is theme pages. Similar to like blog sites or a Facebook group, this is a curated page that already has your target audience. And for a small fee, they would take your commercial and post it to their audience. All you would need to do is go to Instagram or TikTok or wherever and type in, your niche and look for bigger theme pages that have, 100K plus followers. And to piggyback off of that for number 5, I want to go blogs. No matter your niche or segment of the market, somewhere there is a blog that is writing to the audience that you're looking for. And if not the exact audience, at least close to it. And you can easily have your commercial placed in these communities in front of the perfect traffic for your business. All right, number 5. Your website. So many times I work with people and we do this amazing video that never makes it to their website, and I just don't understand. The best commercials outline how your services solve a problem. So what better place to display that than your website? Videos on your website also increase session time and conversion, meaning they stay longer and they're more likely to make a purchase. All right, you guys. So number 7 is going to be email, whether that's some kind of marketing campaign that you have internally or some kind of cold outreach campaign that you're doing externally. You can send out your commercial inside of your emails to supercharge your customer's experience. All right, so next one. Imagine watching your favorite podcast and instead of cutting to a YouTube break, they cut to your commercial. This is totally possible. You can reach out to some of your favorite podcasts that once again have the exact same target audience that you're looking for and ask how much for promotion. You have the perfect marketing piece already created to present to them to put on their platform. And as long as your commercial is aligned with the audience, you will get new leads, you will get new customers, you will convert, and your business will grow. The options are endless, but at the end of the day, the goal is to put your commercial in front of the traffic and allow it to stop it. As long as your commercial is written and produced to stop traffic, all of these are viable options, just really depends on your budget range. And if you're struggling on what you should say in your commercial, be sure to click this video next.